do you like the new dog food we got? Do you like the new dog food? It's for weight loss because you're so big, Sam.
Vem!
Good boy, aren't you? Look at that. Yes, cats love it.
Poppy!
Hey buddy, I'm cutting you off. You gotta slow down, it's only 6 o'clock.
What?
But you gotta try. You gotta try. Good job. Girl, do you want it? You're a good girl. Yes, you want it. Good girl. Oh, yeah.
Chubbies, I know more food. Baby, hi. What's up? What's up?
What was God thinking when he made you so damn thick, so damn scrumdiddlyumptious, huh? What was he thinking when he said, look at this one, we're gonna make this one a real pound cake?
Riley got some new snow booties and a new necktie for the Christmas picture. Say hi! Say hello! Oh, come on, Bean! You excited? You wanna go outside?
Look at you. Oh, look at you, how cute you are. You keep losing the ball.
I got on her nose. Is that yummy ice cream, Zizi? Yeah.
Come on. 앉아. 앉았네? 미안. 손. 옳지. 아이고 이뻐.
맛있어?
Look how tall.
Oh my god. Oh, Shaggy.
You want your belly rubbed? You want your belly rubbed? Hmm?
Wake up. Wake up. Wake up, wake up. Yeah. Okay.
Kirby, you chilling?
Hey, chill, dog. Chill, chill.
Too cool, dog.
Here you go.
带妞妞出来玩，很多老铁想看我带妞妞出来，她会不会跑？接下来给大家展示一下。
Hecking concern. Look at that face.
我去，好奶。
Yuki, are you swimming? Are you swimming? Who's swimming?
Good boy, Archie. Look at that. Yes, cats love it.
Yeah. Made like a flower shape.
Look at this distinguished gentleman. Look at the way he is sitting. Yes, very distinguished.
Yeah, she is. She's flicking her feet. Are you swimming? Clever girl.
Who is the cutest Cece? Who always wants the belly rubs? I love you.
I'm gonna get you. Yeah. I'm gonna get you. Keep going. Yeah. Give me paw. Give me paw. Give me your paw. What you doing there? Can you jump? Can you jump? Can you jump? Puppy ice cream. Oh boy, it's so good. Good boy. Yay!
Good job. Good boy. Good boy.
Stop patting his head challenge.
There it is. There it is. Jesus. Hi, baby. Hi, my baby. What you doing? Good job. Go, we go. Go. Yeah, you like that, huh? Come here! Come on! Good boy! You're taking it? Burgess dance, Burgess dance, 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 dance. Dance, Burgess dance, Burgess dance, dance, dance. Woo! Burgess dance, Burgess dance, 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 dance. Dance, Burgess dance.
Oh yeah. Does that warm water feel good?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I get it. Oh yeah.
He's like swimming with his feet.
I'm tired. You're tired, girl. Oh, yeah. Nah. Yeah, look at him. Puppy ice cream. Oh boy, it's so good. Look at this soft, soft tum-tum. So puffy. Or fluffy. It's a little puffy too. Good boy, eating it like a proper dog. Eating it like it should be. George, did you?
He's a little cutie.
Happy birthday!
Is it your squirrel? I think we can see it. Maybe.
哦，它游过来啦！游泳，上不来板，上不来，走走。Brothers, brothers.
Lifestyle of the rich and famous dog. I'll take my drink. Delivered to me, please.
What is this?
something? This is Augie's first puppuccino. Oh, yeah.
Сегодня будет туса, я сегодня напьюся, сегодня будет туса, я сегодня напьюся, сегодня будет туса, я сегодня напьюся, сегодня будет туса.
Carby, you chilling? Hey, chill, dog. Chill, chill.
Too cool, dog. Madeline, you look so happy being in the car. Okay, love yourself.
Do you like it, baby? Are you gonna take any bites of it? Take a bite of it? Just gonna lick it?
Yay!
Higley!
House Speaker Paul Ryan says he doesn't believe in separating families, but that he wants to keep America's borders strong. We made it extreme.
Not even in the water, he's trying to go swimming. See? He's a good boy. Yum, 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 yum. Good boy.
Awesome. Good boy. Such a good boy.
Here, Gus. Gus, come on. Come on, Gus.
Yeah.
And here's Wuggly with her first bath.
Yeah, it's okay. It's okay.
The little.
Sometimes all I think about is food, late night and in the afternoon. No. Oh my God. Good morning. You're so pretty. Good morning. Peekaboo! 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 Peek!
Now she is reserved, but she is such a little sweetie pie. She's got such pretty.
Oh my God!
He's so
Oh my God!
Look how calm.
Oh my God!
Oh my God.
Oh shit!
Good boy.
How are you even real? Like, look at that face. Look at that face. Ugh, you're freaking perfect.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
It's okay. Come on, come on.
Play. Come on, guys. Look at the two. Like he wants to play. Oh.
What was God thinking when he made you so damn thick, so damn scrumdiddlyumptious, huh? What was he thinking when he said...
Ziggy! Ziggy! Squishing your beautiful face.
Nom 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 nom.
No, you just drink it. Here, you just drink your water.
Part turns on, you gotta wait for the water to flow all the way down the slide before you can run it. You can slide on it. Exactly. That's exactly. And now we're already at 40.
What you doing, Boo?
Boo!
Come on, let's go.
Sophie. Sophie. What you doing, girl?
You like watermelon? Oh my gosh.
Wow, that's pretty cool.
Here we go.
Whee! Good boy, Gucci.
Aussies!
It don't matter. Why is the garage light on?
Look at this soft, soft tum-tum. So puffy. Or fluffy. It's a little puffy too.
Birdie girl. Hey, there's a puppy.
What you doing, Boo?
Boo.
Come on, let's go.
What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing?
It is somebody's birthday on Friday, so we're celebrating early, okay? Very first puppuccino.
Why don't you want to go to the Walkies? Should I go in? Oh, okay. Okay, you. Okay. I want to go to the Walkies just. Come on, Mama.
Now we got it.
This is fine, right? Like, this is cute. But right here, ready? This is cute too.
Happy Puppy Day, Harry. Oh my god.
Does the birthday girl want a special treat? Do you want a special treat? You want puppy ice cream? Yeah. Good boy. Good boy. You're so smart. Okay.
Would you like belly rubs? Is that what you're trying to tell me? Is it? Is that what you're trying to tell me? Okay, oh.
Yep. Yay! Yeah, she is. She's flicking her feet. Are you swimming? Clever girl. Clever.
He's going to sleep.
Miss Pink. Getting your first bath.
Miska, what are you doing?
Inside voice.
Diddley. Shake her paw. Nico, shake her. Good boy. Good boy, shake her. Okay, you ready? Ready to eat?
Hi, Molly. Hi. Hi. Hi, Molly.
Shippers, you like the movie? He won't look away.
Are you air swimming?
Daisy! Baby, come here!
Herman, you want to try an orange?
Shaggy? You got it.
You got the zoomies, Gino? You got the zoomies? Cute.
Ты что исправил? Ты что исправил? Ты. Go get it. What is it like?
Hello, my handsome friend. You like the song? Oh.
Are you supposed to be on the bed? You are? Do you have a permission slip? Bye.
You scared me for a second. I did? I scared everybody. I volunteered for the town. Oh, okay.
This is fine, right? Like, this is cute. But right here, ready? This is cute too.
Come on, Chester. Chester, treat. Come in. Come on, Chester. Come on, Chester.
Bon, le chien qui nage par-dessus l'eau.
C'est moi qui a pas vu ça encore. Je suis prête là.
Oh my god, okay, wait.
Sit still for a second.
Charlie, what are you doing? What are you doing? What is going on?